Welcome to Past 25. This is highlights from the mini symposium. I have here Olga Pierce from Lawrence Livermore National Lab in the US, and you are the organizer of a mini symposium entitled Empowering Interdisciplinary Collaboration Through Reproducible Benchmarking. Can you summarize what was your mini symposium about?
So the scientific instrument that we provide for the community and the community uses to deliver science are supercomputers. And in order to know that our supercomputers, the supercomputers we build and procure for our scientists are good for what their purpose is, we have to benchmark them. Yeah. And so benchmarking is an activity most data centers are engaging in to measure how well they're doing the hardware they're delivering for the scientists.
Yes, of course, all of us that they are working in the business, they all know that benchmarking is a serious step when you want to offer, especially a new system that you have just installed. Are there major highlights from your discussion this afternoon?
That's right. It's an exciting time in hardware. We have such diversity of hardware, all the different new systems coming online. They're performing differently, and our scientific codes are also adjusting to them, so they're also moving very rapidly and changing very rapidly. So we had a room full of people who are struggling to understand this rapidly changing hardware and the rapidly changing software, and if we're serving the purpose of delivering simulation capabilities to the community.
So it looks like you have had quite an exciting discussion today, but then what are the next steps after the past conference? Also in a way that you don't lose the momentum that you have gained by being here.
That's right. So basically the next steps is, so being here, we are getting on the same page and realizing that the challenges we're solving are very similar regardless of where we are and regardless of the exact workload our data centers have. And I think the next steps are figuring out how we can collaborate to help each other move quicker. I may have one type of machine, my colleagues may have another type of machine. If we can get to a point where we can run workloads on the same workload on both and exchange data and understand the performance of that, that is a huge plus. So that is an immediate next step. But then from there, there's a lot more we can do that opens up the pathway to really understanding the spectrum of hardware and the spectrum of software and how that all maps together.
Yeah, and technology is evolving so fast that benchmark really have to keep up. So thank you very much, Olga, for joining us, and thank you all.